Hi, this is Uzma Hafiz. Welcome to my channel TSP Tech Series. Today I'm going to tell you about a very interesting feature available in Google Docs, that is typing with voice. You can now type and edit by speaking in Google Docs or in Google Slides speaker notes. So let's see how to use this feature in Google Docs. Open your browser, click on Google Apps, scroll down and open Docs. Remember that this feature is only available in Chrome browsers. Now let's open a new blank document. First of all, be ensure that when you are using voice commands or voice typing, your computer microphone should be on and working. Now click Tools, then go to Voice Typing. A microphone box appears. When you are ready to speak, click the microphone. Always speak clearly at a normal volume and pace. Let's speak and it will start typing. Digital learning is replacing traditional educational methods and more each day. With how rapidly classrooms are changing, it is best to forget methods that may remember from when you were in school and start thinking about new teaching and learning techniques based on digital tools and technologies. Now in this way we keep on talking and the Google Docs keep on typing. If you make a mistake when typing your voice without turning off the microphone, you can switch your cursor to the mistake and correct it. Shift the mouse back to where you want to proceed after you correct the error. The languages that works with voice typing are mentioned in the description below. You can use these phrases to add punctuation to your text like period, comma, exclamation point, question mark, new line, new paragraph. If you want to edit and format your document, you can use voice like select paragraph, italics, or go to the end of the line. Remember that voice commands are available only in English. The account language and document language must both be in English. Voice commands are not available in Google Slide speaker notes. To select the text, you can say these commands like select all, select last line, select next line. So let's try. I'm going to switch on the microphone. Select all. Select last line. Italic. To format your document, say these commands like bold, italics, subscript, superscript. If you want to change the text color and highlighting, you can use the commands highlight, background color, remove highlight. And there are a lot of commands are available related to font size, paragraph formatting. If you want to stop voice typing, you can also stop it by saying stop listening. So it will switch off. Now if you want to resume your voice, you can say resume. Now it will switch on and you can now start typing again. Stop voice typing. Stop voice typing. So in this way, using voice commands, you can make your work easy. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching.